Hello ladies, so today we are going to try this makeup look. It's Thai makeup look, okay? And I really messed up with this makeup. Anyways, let's do this. Firstly, I am applying that primer. Then I blend it with the brush. Then I'm using a pan stick. Next I am using a stroke ring. That is where I really messed up, okay? The thing is that after I applied pan stick and after that I apply stroke cream on my face, and these two are mixed up, and it's kind of like, as you can see, it's really messed up. That is where I got the cakey look. So anyways, firstly, next I'm using a foundation like Mars foundation. As you can see, is it's really a orangish or a warm kind of for me, warm kind of shade for me. It's And then I'm blending with a brush and a puff. Now I'm using a Blue Heaven foundation as concealer because it's really light shade, and I really do like this foundation more than my concealers. As you can see, this is how I am applying my foundation under of my eyes, forehead, nose, chin, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and the area of contouring, cheeks, under of my cheeks, and the side of my nose. And yeah, I am doing it again, the nose part, because I think I need to more cover up the highlighting. And next I am also concealing. Sorry guys, I'm using a concealer, okay? Before I'm used a foundation, now using concealer. Also I used under of my eyebrows also, upper and lower. Now I'm contouring my nose with a brown shade. It's an eyeshadow. I don't have a contour palette. Anyways, I'm blending it really well. As you can see, I just kind of need a soft glam look, but it's kind of really cakey. Now I'm using I think it's a brown shade eyeshadow, and I'm applying it really well, okay? Next I'm using a orange shade eyeshadow. As you can see, I think I need this kind of look, and I'm using a dark orange. Now I am using a crayon lipstick as my blush because I don't have peachy shade eyeshadow blushes, so I'm using this. And now I'm using a powder blush like an orange shade or something. I thought review that product, I will upload it later. Anyways, I am also applying on my bridge of my nose. Now I'm using a highlighter. It's from my dance highlighter, okay? I already told you some of my videos, few of my videos I use my dance highlighter. It's kind of not that, it's not giving us not that much that brightness or highlighting, but it's a how to say, it's really giving us a normal look. Now I'm using a shimmer shade upper of on my eyes, and a highlighter at the joint, the tip of my or eyes or whatever, I don't know how to say it. Anyways, I am highlighting my nose bridge. Now I am already draw a eyeshadow and highlight it, and I forgot to take drawing eyeliner, the other part, and I also forgot to shoot I go sell video. And today I'm really blabbering so many because I don't know what happened today, but I'm kind of nervous. Anyways, I'm drawing my eyes. I really do like my eye make how I do my eyes. Even though I messed up, the final look will be really good. I'm not. Anyways, just whatever. Now I'm curling my lashes using mascara. I already told my few videos like this mascara from Meesho. It's really cheap, and I am using two mascaras. One is Blue Heaven, other one is the cheap one. Anyways, the thing is, I already uploaded this video on YouTube, but I deleted it because my old mic is broken, so there is so many mistake and technical errors, whatever. Now I'm using a Vaseline and lining my lips with, I think the shade is red or wait, purple. I think it's purple. And now I'm using a orange, or the dark maroon, no, the light maroon shade. it's already finished, but I'm just, I don't have that much lipstick. I mean, this kind of shades. I only do love red and maroon shades, like dark shades. Anyways, next I am using a brown shade, and the same shade like I used as a blush, and yeah, I'm applying a little bit of highlighter on my lips, and I'm combing my eyebrows. I'm not feeling today because I don't need my eyebrows that kind of dark. Anyways, girlies, that's all for today. This is how fine look. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you for watching.